A billionaire heiress lists her Los Angeles mansion for $16.8 million. This exquisite Mediterranean-inspired estate, situated on over 4 acres in the exclusive 24-hour guard-gated community of Bradbury Estates in Los Angeles. The home invites lavish entertaining and luxurious living with its palatial layout and seamless indoor-outdoor design. From the resort-inspired backyard to the panoramic views and architectural perfection at every turn, this extraordinary home is a shining example of what opulence done very well. From the moment you arrive in the circular vehicle court with manicured gardens, a water feature, and a grand entrance portico, it's clear this is a home that sets a new standard in affluent living. While the house has all the extras you could hope for inside, the 4 acres outside are really what stand out. On the grounds, you'll have your pick of athletic pursuits. There's 3,400 square foot recreation center that could easily work for batting practice, a 2-hole golf course, a tennis court, a basketball court, a fitness studio, and of course an infinity pool for you to cool off after your workout. The pool terrace also includes a hot tub, cabana, and outdoor kitchen, surrounded by rows of grapevines and fruit trees. The mansion itself begins with its grand circular motor court that features manicured gardens and a fountain, setting the tone for the entryway when you open the doors. It's a dramatic foyer, all cool stone and twin sweeping staircases to the second level. There's a formal living room and dining room, library, home theater, wine cellar, chef's kitchen with 2 islands and customary cabinetry, plus a separate prep and walk kitchen. There's also more casual hangout space in the family, media, and game rooms. Staff quarters are also part of the package in the main house, as are 2 primary bedroom suites and an elevator to whisk you between floors. The garage holds 6 cars. The home is owned by billionaire In-N-Out burger heiress Lynsi Snyder. The billionaire, president, and owner of In-N-Out Burger has put the mansion on the market in March 2021 for $16.8 million. She previously entertained the idea of selling in 2017 with an asking price of $20 million. She purchased the compound in August 2012 for $17.4 million. One of the biggest home sales in the San Gabriel Valley area of Los Angeles ever. Snyder has a net worth of $3.6 billion. Today, In-N-Out Burger has 281 locations and has annual revenues estimated at $500 million. Known for great burgers, the regional chain is hugely successful. She inherited the company after a series of deaths in the family company left her the sole heir. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, in 2012, Snyder became the youngest American female billionaire after inheriting her family's estate.